Halliburton, that's a new company we're going to be talking about today. So, starting by the first part, which is the company analysis, like we see that mainly this Halliburton like company is having some, let's say, some optimistic views about if Trump like wins the U.S. presidential election, the Halliburton like, which is a small market energy company, may kind of like benefit really good because the Trump administration is kind of like expected to push for interest rate cuts and relax industry regulations, as well as which can like could help the company like quickly increase its capital expenditures. And also the Halliburton like is kind of like currently the most favored energy stock among analysts with 8 and also strongly recommended to buy ratings and an implied upside potential of 44% for its stock price, which is really good. Many people are buying already this stock. Many investors are getting into this stock because they know Trump gonna win. They know that there's a big chance for Trump to win the election. So if he wins, the stock is gonna benefit. The stock of Halliburton is going to benefit really good of the uh, Trump winning the presidential election. So let's jump right into the this next part, which is going to be about the technical analysis. So technical analysis. Now we start by the weekly chart. So or the monthly. I'm not sure. The monthly as well. No, it's the weekly chart. So so as we see here for the weekly chart or the monthly chart, I guess, not a weekly chart as we can see here. Let me check again. Yeah. Yeah, it's not the monthly chart. It's not the weekly chart. So we see that on the monthly chart, there is like the stock price of Halliburton fell sharply from $70 at the end of 2014 to $4 by the end of 2019. Since then, it has like rebounded and risen to $38, but it is like currently in a phase of consolidation and also oscillation. The $38 resistance level has been touched multiple times, but has not like yet stabilized. And it may kind of like be wise to wait until the stock price decides on its direction before making a buying decision. So just make sure, guys, to wait a little bit, study more, do your research more, and then take the next step to buy the stock. So we see here, now we jump right into the daily, I guess, chart. Okay, for the daily chart, the bottom low point, as we can see here, is consistently rising along the diagonal line. The $48 level represents the bottom of the previous like platform and has shown a significant resistance with three unsuccessful like attempts to break through. Also, after each attempt, the decline has awakened the suggesting that there is a potential for the stock price to stabilize and possibly move upward. Currently, the stock price is below the resistance line and has shown some fluctuations, while the energy and oil industry has a promising outlook. It is best to wait and see if the price can like break through and stabilize as well above the 36 and $38 before considering a buy-in point. So make sure, guys, to wait a little bit because when you wait for just you take a moment to study more, to do the research more, to wait a little bit, you get the lucky chance. Sometimes you wait for a while and you jump to catch a big fish. Like for example, it's like you're in a boat waiting, trying to get your doing fishing and you wait for the fish to jump right into your to get it, and that's it. I guess make sure to uh, wait, make sure to not just in the stock market, also in life, you have to wait and be patient more and more to, and then take the step you want to do or you're planning to do as well. So I guess that's it for the Halliburton